Hi, I'm Rob Baker of The Tragically Hip, and I'm here in Kingston, Ontario. This is Breakwater Park, and this is Gord Edgar Downie Pier. Through my high school years and university, me and the guys in the band would come down here after a gig and cool off. It wasn't always this way, but today the pier is something special. It has a deep water swimming area, a diving platform, an accessible shallow water area, a sandy beach, and ladders to get in and out of the lake. When you're hanging out at the pier, here are 6 things to remember. 1. Check the water quality before you go. Water quality changes every day, just like the weather. Check if it's clean enough for swimming before you get into the lake. Use the Swim Guide app to look up current or past water quality information. 2. Scan your surroundings. Waves, wind conditions, temperature, depth. These safety features are good things to look out for before jumping in. Take time to read the signs, too. There are no lifeguards at Breakwater Park, so if you don't check your surroundings, no one else has got your back. 3. Make a plan. Decide where you're going to get in and out of the water. Know what you'll do in case of an emergency. Pier may be in downtown Kingston, but once you're in the water, you're in the wild. I almost died here one time. I dove into the water in mid-May, and it was really cold. After the initial shock, I sort of acclimatized, swam around for a bit, and then suddenly my energy meter started to go precipitously down. And it took every shred of strength I had to get to the ladder, and then I couldn't get up the ladder, so I had to be helped out. Lake Ontario is very powerful. While gentle swells may be fun to swim in, whitecaps can be dangerous. And you don't have to take stupid risks to have a good time. 4. Never swim alone. Swim with a friend, or don't swim at all. If one of your friends is under the influence, it's better to stay on land. Your friends are your responsibility. 5. Make the Breakwater Park experience better for everyone. If you see a problem, try to fix it. 6. Share your experience. Kingston's waterfront used to be a place to dump stuff. Now it's home to Canada's first urban deep water swimming pier. It's the best place to swim in Lake Ontario and hang out with your friends. There's nothing else like it in Canada. Why not take a picture and show off our pier? Better yet, come back again and bring more people. The more people you can connect to the water, the better. The Gord Edgar Downie Pier belongs to you. It belongs to all of us. Let's enjoy it for years to come.